cleaning up my typewriter I bought yesterday. Went to a second use store in Seattle, and they had this sitting on a little table near the cash register, and it was on sale for $5. So I got this. It's an Underwood 5, Underwood Touchmaster 5. It's in pretty good shape. I haven't done any research on it yet. I don't know how old it is. So, it's quite dirty. I've been cleaning it for about a half hour. But it looks like this typewriter is worth about $30. That's not too bad for a $5 investment. Now, if the keys stick a bit, that's the big problem. Everything else up here works, but the keys stick. So if everything was in perfect condition, this typewriter would be worth anywhere from $150 to $300. So, that's okay. It looks nice. I'll keep it here, and it looks kind of nice. So, anyway, that's it for today. See you later.